Yes, sir.
You are here on, let's see, probation review. And Mr. Menard has been your probation officer all the time.
Was the Seagrass in Horse County now.
Okay, now you're here
Yeah.
with us. You're still in Silsbee, live in Silsbee?
Yes.
What's your address now? You've updated
Yes, sir.
the address. Do you live in Jefferson County?
Orange County.
You're moving around Southeast Texas, huh? All right. This is an update on a status here. You've been on probation since 2016, 10 years deferred. Well, unadjudicated probation. You know, for family assault. And how do you think you're doing? Fine.
Besides the money, yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes,
probation.
sir. He's doing fine. He's done everything he needed to do. The only thing was the money. He was planning to use his retirement he's going to pull from his retirement to make a big payment to get everything paid off, but he got laid off. So when he got laid off, he had to use that money to, make ends meet until he got a new job.
Other necessity.
Yes, sir. So whenever he gets
What's
his
our plan now?
whenever he gets his taxes, he's going to pay off the rest of his fees. And he gets off in March.
What do you mean?
His probation will be done with on March 27th.
That's the anniversary. But if he hadn't done it, what do we have? If he hadn't paid it, what do we do? We have to file a motion,
We'll have to
right?
file a motion if he doesn't pay it.
To preserve it, a toll. Are you gonna be able to take care of that?
Oh, yeah, it'll be done. It'll be done. It's
Okay.
accepted. I'm just waiting.
Because if you don't, we have to file a motion to revoke probation, and then then you get processed through, which is a pain.
Yes, sir.
And
It'll be
but
done.
how much what is the amount that he needs to pay so he knows?
Well, his current balance needs to be adjusted because he's placed on inactive. So we have to go back and adjust the fees. So we don't have a current
Downward.
Yes, sir. Because right now it's $4,910.
So it's gonna be less than that.
Yes, sir. It will be.
All right, good. So the anniversary is on March 28th. And so what, 4 weeks?
Yes, sir.
You think?
It's
There ought
supposed
to be
to
great
be.
news?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's reset it for review in 4 weeks. Okay.
Sounds great.
Yes, sir. All right. Mr. Metz, on this
Yes, sir.
this underlying offense, how's the situation with your family?
Everything's good.
Good. That's important.
Yes.
Cynthia Mosley?
Thank you.
Miss Mosley? Oh, boy. Here we come. Here we go. Clause number. Eighteen 30059 is called Cynthia Ann Mosley. That's you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there's a review we're doing that we have regularly. You have been on probation for a while now on theft. There was a lot of restitution, I think 11,300 at the beginning. Is this all about restitution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's restitution day. So where are we on all of this? What?
We've been making payments as we came up with, and she has a balance of $1,316 that's left.
That's getting low. Good. When can that get paid back? All things being the same, if she was able to get that money tomorrow, would that case then be terminated?
Yes, sir. That's the only thing that's really.
It's the only thing
No.
is on deferred probation or unadjudicated probation.
Yes.
So we're getting close. So what do you think? How long before we can get that paid?
I'm trying.
You're trying, how much are you able to pay a month
280.
to him? And it's how much is left?
1,316.
Okay. Well, that's about 4 months. to go. So let's review it in 90 days and see where she is. Okay?
Okay.
Is that good? Otherwise, okay. And if you pay it earlier, let me know and then we can terminate this thing.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm showing, hang on. I'm showing that we extended her probation 2 years back in 24. So I think that,
I don't have that on here.
well, I'm just
On the
showing.
cover. So yeah, that's,
Y'all can correct, because I'm only looking at this digitally, but I think that she may be at an expiration date before the 90 days is what we're getting to.
May 5th is her expiration date.
Okay, never mind. Sorry.
are we okay?
Yes, sir.
We have till May, Judge. That'll be within the 90 days.
So.
March 10th, is that good?
February, March, April. Yeah,
Want me to get that? Oh, sure.
end of April.
Moving from there. Yes, yes, you can.
Rebecca McWhorter.
She's probably doing it.
I received something from the probation office, which is good news. So on this,
Okay.
1317599 is called Rebecca Johnson McWhorter. That is she. Mr. Rennick is here representing you. And you have been on probation since 2013 for the state jail felony of theft. You were placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 10 years. There was just a lot of restitution, over $80,000. Where are we on all of that after a decade and 2 or 3 years? After 12 years? Is it all about money?
Yes, sir.
And what's the balance then?
Right now, the balance is $36,411.
A little over 36,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much is the defendant making a month to pay?
She hasn't made any payments recently
Why not?
because she's currently going through a divorce. And after the divorce, she's gonna take the settlement from the divorce and make a big payment to us.
But that's just talk, right?
So
Oh, and,
she's gonna make some payments though.
We've been,
what are you saying you were promising to do? So we can all have it on the record so that there's not a doubt about it later.
I wanted to make payments monthly, but I've been having a problem keeping the lights on.
Yes, ma'am.
Dealing with everyday issues, and
Okay.
my husband is fighting the divorce and he stopped paying for anything, including his spousal support.
So he was ordered to pay support and he's not done. Is that being resolved? Do you have an attorney in that one?
Yeah, we were supposed to go to court on Wednesday and it got postponed because my attorney had to be in a CPS case somewhere else. So
It's not Mr. Rennick, is it?
no,
Yeah,
Mr. Rent is a new family.
it's actually Glenn Crocker. And
that's okay.
yeah,
You can't be two places at once.
yeah, and I understood that, but it just put me,
Frustrating.
yeah, put me in bed. This is like the 10th time it's gotten postponed.
Okay, what's our plan today?
The plan is for her to start making small payments every month, whatever she can make payments with.
When is it expected that the termination of the marriage and all will be resolved?
I contacted Mr. Crocker's office and they told me they would email me a date, and it's been every 6 weeks before we could get into the court.
Okay,
We went in December 3rd and the judge and the lawyer said it was going to be an all-day thing. Because he wants to argue about weed eaters. I just want to get it over with so
I'll
that
bet you do. Yes. So what do we want to do on this case today? Reset for how long for review?
What do you think? Next court case.
I would think at least from what she's been keeping me updated on the family situation because she thought resolution.
Just 90 days good?
I think that would be fair.
3 months. All right, let's reset this for 3 months and see. Hopefully will be good news finish this so you can move on with your life and good luck. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got Edward Tremba.
He was in the restrooms, so he's sitting on the back of us.
What did we do on this?
You ordered a warrant for no.
He stepped outside, so I'm
I think he and
Come on up.
said.
You just have a seat up here, sir. Thank you. In the jury box, right up here. And that was, I'm gonna need to get his file again. Oops. Who is it? Mr. Brooks.
He had.
Okay, what are we doing today? On
it's
this,
Mr. Ham's case. Are you just asking for more time?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
okay, he's not yet, right? How much time are you asking for, man?
There is a co-defendant for this case. I think his next court date is April 20th. So how about we ask for?
I don't like that. We gotta do one direction, one way or the other. It was indicted in September. It's a 3rd-degree felony of theft. I don't see any prior convictions here. But we
I
need,
think there's a chance that they may be asking one side to give testimony on the other side and working it out. That's why I think they're trying to set it for the same date as co-defendant. I think, is it a trial that's co-defendant set for? I don't know.
No, that's
Mr. Boyd, you're on that?
No, that's.
Mr. Hams.
He's.
Okay, it says Daniel.
Call it out.
Stood in for my.
Well, Who's representing the other defendant? Do we know?
Daniel.
Who?
Daniel Lee.
It's out of town, he was here today later.
So there's a second indictment here
Yes, sir.
on, let's pull that if you don't mind. And we're gonna need another indictment. Let me look at that other indictment on this other defendant. Yeah, we're getting
He's asking about the co-defendant.
Yes, sir.
it. Then we'll,
It's blank. I'll print it.
And it appeared yesterday on this matter, Judge.
I remember somebody, they were from Las Vegas.
Yes, sir. These are the 2 individuals from Las Vegas involved in this. That individual has a attorney by the name of Brandon Zarate.
I printed the reset too.
So on this one, what do you say?
What was the question?
You know, why do we need to reset on an announcement?
Well, I've given both defense counsel a proposal as to how to.
When was that handed out?
Yesterday for the.
Oh,
Today
yesterday?
for this.
Okay,
this-
well, they gotta take some time to review that,
And
if it was yesterday.
I just released discovery to her today, so I know she needs an opportunity to review it.
Oh, no, they gotta have some time. How much time do you need, ma'am? How much?
2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
Okay, so March, end of March, good.
Yes, sir.
When did we set the other one?
April 2nd.
All right, I'm gonna do it for both
That's
on
fine,
that
good.
day,
You want it together?
April 2nd. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
is that good? All right, get a resetting. Thank you.
I think the cases now, their
Huh?
cases are linked in the system now.
Okay, that's good.
Um,
So we had this man, and who is, which, come on up, Mr. Brooks. Who is your attorney?
I'm trying to hire.
Wright Kimbler?
Yeah,
Uh,
trying to hire one.
Okay. Give me a status on this.
I believe the probation officer left, but earlier this is the one where she said he was for us to file a motion on it. She's going to get that to us because he'd been testing positive for cocaine. I believe
Okay.
that's what it was.
You've been testing positive according to the probation officer. I've ordered a motion, an amended motion to revoke probation to be filed. There's a pending motion you pleaded true to. And we dealt with that back in August. And now she says these positives are showing up. And we're going to move fast on that. So just buckle up, be ready. But when that motion gets filed, there will be a warrant issued, and then we're going to have a hearing quickly. And just know that. And your lawyer we've been having some difficulties getting him up here on matters. And either he's going to be up here or you're going to have to get another lawyer. But I expect him to be up here. This is a case that I'm not going to take a lot of time on. We're going to move forward on this because that's evidence of free falling. That needs to be dealt with. So anyway, get her resetting here.
And we just request that he be tested, Your Honor, for drugs just because he's been.
All right, I'll get the probation office to test. Thank you for waiting. Sorry.
I just gotta check the schedule.
It's his fault.
He's pretty good about.
Here is,
Yeah.
oh,
I can email it to Corey if you want.
yeah. This, and to the defense.
I did, this is old, Judge. This is, and I checked that I did that already.
Okay. Oh, this is the one I got.
No, you should have the recent.
Okay, all right.
It's gonna be dated.
All right, all
I
right.
have the email.
Okay.
There. It's underneath the yellow pen. There's all that stuff attached.
This,
She sends them to us weekly or monthly before the court dates. So the January is the only one that I may not have sent out. It's got that. Do you want me to make sure everyone does the January? Okay. No. Both cases are his, both files, I believe, are Mr. Father's.
okay,
You should, I think.
so I need this man's. And you passed your drug test. Good for you.
There's no reset because the First Amendment's anyway.
All right, back on this case with Mr. Brooks. We're still at a status here, an amended motion to revoke probation is to be filed.
Yes, Your Honor, probation supposed to send us some paperwork on that and we'll.
All right. And let's reset this in 3 weeks.
Oh,
Okay, sir. And what are the new grounds that are,
I believe probation was saying he tested positive certain times for cocaine or different.
Okay.
But I'm not sure which one she just said.
all right. Please get a resetting here, sir, and